So it's been almost a month for this beautiful memories, and like now we have completed 1 month for the bike. Now it's time for its first servicing. So I think it's almost clocked around 500 kilometers maybe, and but now as अभी एक महीना कंप्लीट हो गया तो हमें इसको सर्विसिंग के लेना पड़ेगा. So basically first 3 servicings are free. And so we are finally at the service center and giving a bike for the servicing. Now let's say what all things are covered. Like as per our past experience, we know that first experience में normally oil change होगा, then oil filter change होगा, air filter cleaning का doubt लग रहा है, mostly नहीं होता क्योंकि ज़्यादा kilometers क्रॉस करने भी होता है. Then yeah, these will be the minor things that will get serviced. I'm just curious about like how much will it cost for the service. I'm not really sure like आप मुझे कितना सुन पा रहे हो क्योंकि यहाँ पे noise बहुत ज़्यादा है. Like as you can see, I'm literally sitting near by the road and ऊपर कोई construction का काम चल रहा है. So after ages, our bike is taking care of it. So आपको पता है कि इसमें मेन कौन है. So without paddock ये जुगाड़ कैसे करते हैं देखते हैं. So
ते हेडलाइट असेंबलीच तुम्ही कॉल ते या दुकानात सांगते ते काढून कसं नंतर या हां इथं हां भेटेल.
So this is alternative to paddock. You can purchase it. I think it's cost around 900 rupees. Finally, हमारी आलोन का सर्विसिंग के लिए गई. तो एक काम करते हैं, शोएब भाई से पूछते हैं कि अभी इसमें क्या क्या कवर होगा. तो शोएब भाई, ये जो हमारी फ्री सर्विसिंग है तो इसमें क्या क्या कवर करेंगे हम.
प्लग एयर फिल्टर चेन एडजस्ट होईल और क्लच एडजस्ट वगैरह होता है.
अच्छा, ऑयल चेंज होगा.
ऑयल चेंज कूलेंट ब्रेक ऑयल वगैरह चेक करते हैं.
अच्छा,
सब हो गया तो चेंज करना है.
अच्छा, तो नॉर्मल बेसिक सर्विसिंग में जो होगा वही होगा.
वही
ओके. तो फर्दर देखते हैं अभी प्रोसेस क्या होती है. अभी यहाँ पे एक्सटर्नल नॉइस बहुत ज़्यादा है तो आई थिंक आई नॉट श्योर लाइक you are able to hear me or not, but I'll try to add cinematics of the servicing. finally, we are done with our servicing and the bike is done and ready. This is the basically your invoice of the first servicing. So what I'll do, I'll just wrap up all those things and let's move to home, and then uske baad I will share this invoice with you. I'll take a photo and put somewhere on the screen. There are not many things to today have charged, so there's nothing much to, but still, just for your information, I will share this information. Just to give you the information, like where the service station was. It's the same like from where we got the delivery, Unique Automobiles, Yamaha, and basically it's near Gokul Nagar, nearby your ISKCON shop. Yeah, this is basically opposite the charting post. So now I'm on the bike, so let's go to our home. We will continue the invoicing part there. So this is the very next day, and yesterday I was not feeling well, so कल का vlog में complete नहीं कर पाया, and we are pending with this invoicing part. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll take a picture of this invoice and paste it somewhere here on the screen, so you can pause the video and check out the details of the costings. Okay, this overall servicing costed me around 777 rupees. Now surprisingly, there is one component that will surprise you, like why it's so costly. R15 ka oil filter, it is costing around 247 rupees. I don't know why it is so expensive here. Even Gixxer ka itna महंगा नहीं है. Yeah. Other cost element was your engine oil. Okay, that's understandable. It costed around 530 rupees, so yeah, it's okay. But the main point, the oil filter costed around 247 rupees, and total costing was 777 rupees. Of course, like as it was a first servicing, labor charges वगैरह इसमें कुछ ऐड नहीं. Now that was all from this first pre-servicing video of Yamaha R15 V4. You know the drill. Like if you love the content, you can share it with your friends and family. And yes, if you love the video, do like, share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Now let's meet in another video. Till then,